Hello, beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have an awesome banded booty burn for you, okay? Get that plump butt. So first, I'm gonna go through the motions with you. We're gonna do a demo, and then all together, okay? Let's get into it. All right. First, we're gonna start with ankle jumping jacks. So you're gonna put your band around your ankle. And if you feel like you're not ready for that added, challenge, the added resistance, you don't have to do this with the band. You can do it completely by yourself, okay? So first we have our ankle jumping jack. So putting it around your ankles, and we're going to jumping jack. And you can also have, for this, your hands on your hips, if that's easier. And you don't want to come in all the way because then your band is going to slide down like it was for me. So out and in, leaving a little space and a little resistance so it doesn't fall down, okay? Next, we're going to bring our band up to our thighs, whoop, right here. You could do it like right above your knee or a little bit higher, whatever's more comfortable for you. And we're going to do squat to lateral leg lift. So we're going to squat, and then up, lift your leg. Squat, up, lift your leg. For an extra challenge, you can go straight from squat to leg lift, okay? That'll test your balance, okay? Next, we have our glute bridge pulse with the band. So we're gonna go on the floor for this, keeping your band around your thighs. You're gonna come down slowly, gently, at your own pace, feet flat on the floor. Lay back. You're gonna push your pelvis up, and then we're gonna pulse our legs open. Pulse, 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 pulse. Really squeezing your butt, making sure that you're constantly squeezing your pelvis forward and pulsing. All right, last but certainly not least, we have our fire hydrant. So we're gonna turn around, keeping that band on those thighs. We're gonna go in a tabletop position, and you're gonna lift your leg to the side. Kind of like a dog peeing on a fire hydrant. That's why they're called fire hydrants. So looking down, neutral spine, lift, lift, lift. Constantly engaging your core and keeping a healthy straight back. Now, that's our demo. Let's do it all together. Each exercise 10 times. If there's alternating legs, 10 on each leg. All right, starting with our warm-up, band on the ankles, hands here, hands here. You can also have your hands doing the motions with you. Personal choice, up to you. Let's go, 10, 1, 3, 5, I'm counting in twos here, 7, 9, and 10. Very good. And if you want to do those longer, if it feels good and you really want to warm up your body more, go ahead, do it for 30 seconds if you want. Put pause on the video and do you. So next, we're going to our squat to lateral lift. Get those bands, shimmy up. And in squat position, we're going to do squat and then squat the other side. So we're gonna do 5 on this side, 5 on that side, all right? Just because we have that squat, I know I said 10 on each side if we're alternating legs, but because we have that squat, let's do 5 here, 5 here. If you want to do more, go for it. Super proud of you. Let's go. Squat, leg lift. Squat, leg lift. Remember when you're squatting to engage your core, suck in your stomach, and also when I say keep a neutral spine, I mean keep a straight spine. You don't want to arch. You want to take care of your back. Make sure it's healthy and strong. All right, almost done. One more on each side, make them good. Last one, and awesome. If you need to take a second, stretch out those legs, go ahead. Take your band down and maybe shake a little. All right, make sure those muscles are nice and relaxed so we can kill it on the next one. And next we have the glute bridge pulse with a band, so on the floor. come down, feet flat, back flat. Band right above your knees for this one. And we're gonna push our pelvis up. Always looking forward. And we're gonna pulse for 10 seconds. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. If you're finding it hard to balance here, make sure your hands are flat on the floor, giving you stability. Push up, almost done. 3, 2, 1. Gently come down, very nice. And to shake it out here, you don't have to get up, just put your legs up and shake. Okay, last but not least, we have the fire hydrant. We're gonna pretend we're dogs peeing on a fire hydrant. Turn around on your hands and knees, flat, healthy back. And this we're gonna do 10 on here and then turn around 10 on left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now here you always want to be looking down right between your hands, all right? Making sure that your back and your neck are straight. Also remember to engage your core. All right, almost done. One more. Very nice, all right? Now take a second, regroup, turn around. Woo! Let's go, left side, head down, back straight, stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost done. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Very good, everyone. Awesome job. Click the link below for even more workouts. We got recipes, we got it all. We even have motivational talks. So take your pick. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.